I would like to welcome you all once again on the 7th lecture of marketing. In the last lecture, we have already discussed about importance of marketing with respect to marketer. Today, we will going to discuss importance of marketing with respect to customer and society. So first of all, we need to understand importance of marketing towards customer. The first importance is marketing create utilities. Student marketing create different type of utilities. Form utility, from a plumber to furniture. Place utility, product moving from factory to customer. Time utility, product available when needed. Information utility, ingredients of product, and even how to use the product. So there are different types of utilities. The next point is large number of choice available. Marketer create need and want and try to satisfy that through offering variety of product. If one wants soap, there are number of brands available. Example Lux, Pears, Rexona, etc. The third importance is more platform available. With the advent of technology, the marketer are offering customer both offline and online platform to purchase. Now marketer are serving more number of customer through different ways. Reminders of sale comes through SMS, emails, etc. Now come to the next importance, that is importance with respect to society. The first importance is source of employment. Marketing offers a great range of exciting career opportunities. Marketing offers employment in the field of personal selling, packaging and advertising, marketing research, consultancy, distribution and channel sales. So there are many employment opportunities. Next point, welfare of customer and stakeholders. Through profit maximization is the main motive of every business. But many marketers have taken up corporate society responsibility in order to give back to society. Different form of example is HUL behavior change program, when washing hands with soap before a mother touches her baby is proven to prevent many of infant death in the village. So these are the most important importance of marketing with respect to customer and with respect to society. With the help of this video, student, you have to attempt your assignment questions. Thank you so much.